Welcome. In this video, I'll show you all the possible ways to check hidden messages in Messenger. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, or the first method here is we have four, okay? So first method is you're going to want to open up the Messenger app. Now, in here, tap on menu. Now, you will be able to see archives, okay? Tap on archives and go ahead and check if the message that you're looking for is in here. Also, the second option is by going back. Right here, we have a message requests. Okay. You're going to want to tap on it. And here, check the spam and the you may know section. All right. The third option is checking the end-to-end encrypted messages. Okay. So in here, under your chat list, if you'll be able to see a lock icon, okay, besides the profile, well, that means that it is a secret conversation, okay? You gotta want to tap on it and check it out. Also, the last option right here is by checking for hidden contacts, okay? Go to settings right here under menu. You have settings. Now let's go ahead and go to privacy and safety right here. Now what we'll do is just find hidden chats or hidden contacts, okay? Right here. Unhide them and check the messages, okay? Go back. We have here reported chats as well. You're going to want to check on this list as well. That is it. Those are the possible ways on how to check hidden messages here in Messenger. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.